Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best car body tape you can buy right now. The 3M Automotive Refinish Masking Tape, Model 06654. Whether you're a professional detailer, body shop expert, or a DIY auto enthusiast, this tape is trusted across the industry for delivering razor-sharp paint lines and making masking jobs efficient and clean. Right off the bat, let's talk specs. This particular variant comes in at 36 mm wide and 55 meters long. That's more than enough tape for multiple masking jobs, whether you're outlining body panels, taping around window trims, or sectioning off bumpers for a fresh coat of paint. The color is bright green, which isn't just for looks. It's there to help you easily see the edges while working, making removal and reapplication simpler in high-pressure situations. The backbone of this tape is 3M's high-performance rubber-based adhesive. What makes it stand out is its ability to resist lifting and curling. That's a big deal when you're trying to get clean, sharp paint lines with zero bleed-through. The backing is highly conformable too. If you've ever had to mask over curves and contours on a vehicle, you know how annoying it is when the tape keeps popping up. This tape hugs those curves and holds tight without tearing or breaking under tension. Now, what happens after you're done painting? That's where this tape continues to shine. It peels off cleanly, leaving no adhesive residue. That means you won't waste time scrubbing or scraping leftover gunk off the paint job or surrounding surfaces. It's ideal for use both indoors and outdoors, and yes, it's UV and light resistant. So, even if your car sits under shop lights or sunlight for a while before unmasking, the tape won't bake on or leave a mess. Another big plus is strength. Unlike weaker tapes that stretch and snap under pressure, this one has excellent tensile strength across the roll. That means fewer breaks, less frustration, and a smoother workflow whether you're masking a full panel or just touch-up sections. And let's not forget versatility. This isn't just for metal surfaces. It performs just as well on plastic trims, glass, moldings, rubber, and even previously painted surfaces. That makes it a go-to for all stages of refinishing work. One more underrated feature: how easily it unrolls. The special 3M backing allows for better control during unwinding, which reduces the chances of the tape wrinkling, stretching, or sticking to itself. If you've ever been halfway through taping and had the roll fight you, you'll appreciate this more than you might think. In summary, the 3M Automotive Refinish Masking Tape 06654 is a professional-grade tool that delivers superior results with minimal hassle. It's strong, clean, flexible, and consistent. Everything you want in a masking tape for automotive work. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Drop a comment below if you want us to compare this tape to other options or demo it in a future video. See you next time.